Is your printer not printing when you need it the most? Don't worry. This is one of the most common problems, and you can fix it in just a few minutes. Welcome back to TechVibes, your go-to place for quick and easy tech fixes. Now, this issue usually happens because of simple things like connection errors, stuck print jobs, outdated drivers, or wrong settings. The good news is you don't need to be a tech expert to fix it. Step 1. Check your printer connection. Make sure your printer is actually connected to your computer or Wi-Fi. If you are using a wireless printer, confirm both your printer and device are on the same network. If it is wired, unplug the USB cable and plug it back in properly. Also, restart your printer and your computer. This alone fixes a lot of issues. Step 2. Clear the print queue. Sometimes your printer is stuck because of a failed print job. Open your printer settings and look for the print queue. Cancel all pending documents, then try printing again. This removes any blockage that is stopping your printer from working. Step 3. Set your printer as default. If your system is sending print commands to the wrong printer, nothing will print. Go to your device's printer settings and make sure your current printer is selected as the default one. This is especially important if you have used multiple printers before. Step 4. Check ink, toner, and paper. This might sound basic, but it is often overlooked. Make sure your printer has enough ink or toner. Also check if paper is loaded correctly and there are no paper jams. Even a small jam can stop everything. Step 5. Update or reinstall printer drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can stop your printer from responding. Go to your printer manufacturer's official website and download the latest driver for your model. Install it and restart your system. This ensures your printer communicates properly with your device. Pro tip: run the built-in troubleshooter on your computer. Most systems have a quick troubleshooting tool that can automatically detect and fix printer issues. It saves time and can find problems you might miss. So if your printer is not printing, just follow these steps one by one and you should be back up and running quickly. If you still face any problem, drop a comment below. I will reply within 1 hour and help you fix it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more fast and simple tech solutions. Stay smart, stay connected, and I will see you in the next video.